Hello and welcome to these brand new 2 and 3 bedroom apartments in Canal Bay Business Bay. This is a 2 bedroom layout and also the show apartment. As you walk in on your left hand side, you have your guest bathroom, bedrooms down the left, and you also have a semi closed, very modern kitchen with a serving window to the living and dining. Like mentioned, this is a 2 bedroom apartment spanning over 1,200 square feet. Benefit is you have a fantastic canal and Burj Khalifa view from here. So, like I mentioned, it is the show apartment. It's fantastic to see it furnished, so you can have a good idea how to best use the space. It is a very decent size. Also have access to the balcony, where again you can see the amazing view of the Burj Khalifa and full canal. So, heading down the hallway to the bedrooms, on the left hand side, you also have a laundry, very spacious and usable laundry. On the right hand side, you will have your first bedroom, decent size, beautiful built in wardrobe, and also, again, fantastic view. Right across from this, you will have another bathroom with a bath, and then also heading towards a very spacious master bedroom with an ensuite bathroom. So the master bedroom has access to a very large, usable balcony, again with a beautiful view of the full canal and partly Burj Khalifa. The ensuite bathroom of the master bedroom has a shower, and as you can see, it's a very decent size. So there's multiple options available. The building consists of 2 bedroom and 3 bedroom apartments, which is a very, very great opportunity for any investment purposes or purchasing multiple units for investment. So let's have a further look at the building's amenities. You will find a closed children's play area, fully air conditioned, that also has access to a larger outside children's play area. It's also close to the gym and the swimming pool. Fantastic to keep your eyes on your children. So, right next door, you will find a modern, fully equipped gym that also has a view of the pool. Heading outside, you will see a large swimming pool. There's the view of the outdoor play area for the children, and you also have a beautiful large swimming pool. This is an amazing project. Like I said, beautiful apartments, beautiful views of the canal and Burj Khalifa. If you do have any inquiries or do want to view, please contact the details.